Welcome in, I'm Kiara Ianna and you're watching my studio apartment series. Previously, I showed you how I transformed my kitchen, focusing on functionality, natural tones, and this beautiful multifunctional island. Then, I brought you along as I installed a floating wall to convert my studio apartment into a one-bedroom, making it cozy, modern, and moody, with all of the various lighting. If you're interested in seeing what we have in store next, then stay tuned. We are standing in the living room. I plan to do a complete 180 of this space. I'm leaning into mid-century modern design, focusing on natural textures like wood and greenery. I'm going with earthy tones like green, brown, and a sprinkle of baby pink. I have these Rove concept couches. It comes in 3 different boxes. I also found this boucle barrel chair on OfferUp. I'm excited about this, y'all. Okay. This is way easier than a mattress in a box. The other one just started busting out the seams. Oh my gosh, you guys, that sounds so cool. I gotta wait until the morning. Gonna get a full 24 hours before I sit my butt on it because I don't want to mess up the poofing process. This is what the couch looks like. And it needs another 12 hours to be completely fluffed. I love the color. I love the fabric. It's so comfy. I did sit on it. It's so deep. I think the couch could comfortably sit 3 people. And this could even be a separate seat. I'm thinking this could even go in the middle of both of them. All right, so now we're gonna put together this drum lamp. I don't even think I have space for this. Like, I'm looking around now and I'm like, where am I gonna put a lamp? Let's be so for real. I feel like if it doesn't fit, we can just send it back to Wayfair. Wayfair is getting tired of me because I'm already returning the desk. Now I'm returning this lamp, maybe. Yeah, we gonna see. Let's see. I'm panicking for no reason. Let me stop panicking. Chanel, back up. Thanks. I see the vision. First of all, y'all, they had that big old bag for really no reason. Was that necessary? No, it was not. It was not necessary. Chanel, stop smelling my butt. You're being very weird. Very easy setup. I like that. Like, I could definitely make this. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute. Now will it fit? I'm about to go ahead and put the TV console up right now, and depending on how it looks with the TV console, that will determine whether or not I keep it. I want you to stay, but we'll see. Okay, this is how everything looks. I thought I wasn't gonna like the lamp because I actually had planned to put the lamp over in this corner, which would have just been too much bulk since I have this really low boucle chair here. But I actually really love how it's feeling. It feels like I'm in my mom's home. It just feels so cozy and inviting. Alexa, turn off the light. Okay. Moving on. I am living in a studio apartment, as you guys know, but today is a very important day because people are coming to put in a divider that I had customized last month, and it's actually a removable wall, and it's gonna have a sliding door, and it's going to divide my living room space from my bedroom space and make it a 1-bedroom. Yeah, I'm super excited about this. The company that I use to install this freestanding wall is called 1W2R. You can find them online. They customize these modular freestanding divider systems. You can select from a wide array of colors, materials, and design options to tailor fit your space. I really like this transparent glass frosted glass, that's what they call it. I love that frosted glass. And it has a window up there because I have a heater on the other side. The window is to let a little bit of heat. You can pull the window all the way across so you can see how it looks. That's seeing completely through. That's not seeing anything. So you can see like a little bit of shadow when people are moving over there, but you really can barely see anything. My friend Leon got me these plant hangers that I'm really excited about hanging up. I have a quadrillion plants, and the ones that are over my TV right now need to be hung up so I can actually put my books on the bookshelf. So I have to get up on the ceiling, and I know that sounds a little frightening, but I ain't never scared. I don't know, this feels kind of heavy. I'm scared to put it up here. Let's see what happens when we do. Okay. Okay. Hopefully this one is easier. And you guys, don't come at the state of my plants. They're in a healing state. Yeah, don't judge them. Only God can judge them. And on that note, let's get the next one in there. These joints are heavy. So like, I'm just praying that we're gonna have a smooth hang and nothing is gonna come flying out the wall at any given moment. You know what I mean? Ooh. Now I'm just gonna put the last one on there. Okay, so I'm really excited to install this next piece. These are talk blinds. Talk blinds are just motorized blinds. These ones in particular are fabric, and I really love the material of this. So that material is beautiful. These are custom, so you guys can get these to fit any window. It also allows you to have the blinds that come with the valance or ones that don't. You could also have blinds that fit for inside of a window frame or ones that can be installed on the outside of a window frame. So I got the ones that are going to be installed inside of a window frame because my window is kind of like framed in. You can even pair your Alexa to it. It also has a remote control that you can use to bring the blinds up and down and do different cool things with it. Now I'm just going in and styling my TV console. I'm focusing on functionality. I'm adding this adhesive knob just so that I can make it easier to access my remotes and things in this hidden drawer. Being that this is the focal point of my living room, I really want to include all of the colors from my mood board. So this is where I'll add more of my plants, my pops of pink, my natural colors like the wood tones, the white, and the brown. If you've made it this far into the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about your favorite part. So now I'm creating a cozy corner of my living room. First, I'm gonna hang up my guitar in this blank space on the wall. Let's pack this up for today though. Come back tomorrow. And got some nails and a hammer. So it's looking like real stone. It's really giving. It's really giving it a gate. I'm creating an accent wall using this 3D styrofoam stone panels that I got off of Amazon. And of course, I will leave the links in the description. These panels are so light and easy to install. I just use nails and a hammer to put them up. I really just want a place where I can relax in the morning, maybe sip some tea, read my Bible, and just get a moment of peace before I leave out and start my day. So I just have a few more finishing touches. I got a few decorative pieces from Temu. I got this heated flannel throw. I got these decorative pillowcases. And I also got this beautiful area rug. And we'll see how the living room comes together. I quickly realized that the pillows that I planned to wrap in these pillow covers were actually way too big for the pillow covers. I ordered the wrong size, you guys. So I do need to hem them or sew them and make it so that it just fits the pillow more snug. But right now I think these are the two colors that I'm gonna go with. I like the dark gray and the chocolate. I just feel like they really complement the rug and the other accents that I have going on in the living room. So this was like the perfect touch, the perfect final touches for my living room. All the links will be provided in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.